Okay.
Okay, so welcome back. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Kiwi League Match 3, Season 1. If there's going to be a Season 2, I'm just going to call it Season 1. This match will be against Ben Kirby and Cheng-Ru Yang. Ben Kirby is a very good speedcuber. Ben is currently ranked 3rd in New Zealand for 3x3 average and tied 2nd. He has a 7.82 official 3x3 average and former NR 6.35 single. He has 36 NRs over 6 events, and he holds all the NRs, single and average, for 4x4 through 7x7. So very
And
fast, big cube.
against Ben is Cheng-Ru Yang, who currently has a 9.31 official average in comp for 3x3 and a 7.17 official 3x3 single. And he was the Permix national champion in 2019, and he has a 2.05 former NR Permix single.
Cool. Yep. So I guess we'll be getting into the matches now.
Chen can go first.
Alright.
Yeah, okay, so Ben's
Ben's chosen to
deciding
go
to go second.
That was interesting.
Probably for the advantage to see what Cheng gets so that Ben knows what he has to get to beat it.
Yeah.
But they will be alternating.
And I believe that the other person is allowed to watch the solve of the other person, so he might be able to get a look at the scramble and like to see what's going on. I believe both of these competitors are color neutral, so that will definitely make for an interesting match.
Yeah, Cheng going for
Cheng
green
going
cross.
for green.
Oh, bit of a lucky start, but oh.
10:53. Good to see both competitors of the stack mat this time.
Ben averages
Am I scrambling
somewhere in the 7s, I believe, so this shouldn't be too hard for him to beat.
Yeah. Ben typically does struggle a lot with nerves, especially in his competition results, trying to get that sub 7.5 average. It's been a bit of a challenge for him over the last 2 competitions, but it'll be interesting to see how he handles the pressure in this kind of situation.
Yeah, and since both of these...
Fairly quick inspection, going for the same cross.
Yeah, so it must have been a good green cross. Oh, that's a very speedy solve. Oh, I'm a bit lucky with EPRM, but still 7.9.
790, pretty solid solve.
Do I have to show the camera? Okay. Wait, it says waiting for other solve. Should I reset? Should I just restart?
Oh, Jasper needs to spectate.
Yeah. Hold up. Let's Cube has frozen.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
That's not right?
Well, Ben's going to be going first this time, so...
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it. I scrambled it.
Okay, cool. Cool.
Ben going for a white cross. Oh, bit of a fumbly start. Yeah, he does seem to be shaking a lot at the moment.
Wait.
Dealing with a few lockups
10:35.
Beat it, Ching.
I think typically Ben solving tends to use a lot of like smooth, consistent turning to really get those times. So I think when he gets nervous and he starts looking up, that's when it gets problematic.
Yeah.
Cheng going for
Cheng going for green, yeah. That time is quite beatable for Cheng.
902.
902, okay. Cheng taking the second solve.
It's waiting for.
Wait, how do you skip? How do you skip?
It's in the top left.
Oh,
Oh, there's
there we are.
Okay, there you
Worked it out now.
go.
Oh my. Oh.
Last match we were expecting Chris to beat Finn by like a reasonable margin, which he did, but Finn still managed to get 7 solves in, so we'll see if Cheng will be able to do something similar to Ben. Yeah. He's already
Based
got
on
1 point on
the-
the second solve.
Based on the solve so far, it seems like Cheng is
Yeah, it
probably
seems-
going to be staying around 9 range, and
Yeah.
Ben's hit a quick solve, but
What was that? I
also
can't see.
he has messed up one of the 2 solves, so it's kind of unclear how he's going.
1086, okay.
But yeah, we'll see how he goes on these next couple of solves to kind of give us a sense of how the nerves are affecting his solves and whether he's going to be consistent to keep winning those solves. A pretty quick
Oh.
inspection there.
Yeah, very quick
Find something,
start.
a bit of a lock up on that pair, but
Oh,
slightly rough all, but
That
good
was-
fast finish.
774.
774. Pretty good time. We'll see what
Then I go again,
So
right?
the score's now 2-1
we
to
can
Ben.
do in the next one.
Wait, do you want to see it? Okay. Okay.
This time utilizing the inspection a bit more, going up to 8 seconds.
Oh, choking a lot on this last bit using some. Oh,
Lucky did EO into ZB.
was that
And
okay?
had a bit of a
953,
rough
okay.
stop there, but
Yeah.
still sub 10. So I think Cheng could beat this, but it's not guaranteed.
It's a bit hard to tell how this match will play out just by the first 3 solves. A lot could change. Is that... I can't really see anything that's going on Cheng's end.
Seemed a bit laggy for me.
Yeah, 1174.
1174, okay. Luckily, my internet's been fine this time. It was a bit rough on the test stream. Cheng starting here. See what we can do.
Oh, it looks like Cheng got a bit confused. The infamous pulling your cube back a little bit. Oh, and rough end finish. What was that? 1534. Yeah.
15!
That's right.
Leaving the door wide open.
I think that might be what the slowest solve in Kiwi League so far. Maybe?
I don't think Ben will have much trouble beating this one.
Yeah.
Once again.
Dude.
Oh,
Oh,
okay. He
it's
could have
possible solve.
DNF'd that. 869 though.
Save though. Still winning the solve.
And yeah,
Seeing
and
quite a
Ben's
few
gonna be
white
going
crosses
again
from
for
Ben.
us.
So it's quite a small sample size, so it could just be like sort of the best crosses, but potentially he could be having a bit of issues with the limited inspection.
And from what I can see here, there are two white pieces solved again, so you might go for that again.
But yeah, I tend to find, and I think he's definitely said that he tends
And there's
to
a
find.
free pair on white, so Yeah, a white cross. And using that free pair. Another free pair as well. Oh, soon apron.
What was that?
Very nice.
Oh,
Still a
probably could have been
bit
a
high
little bit
move
faster,
count.
but definitely pretty solid time. We'll see what Chen can do on this. But yeah, as I was saying, like it can be difficult on neutrality using just like 12 seconds of inspection because like you really have a lot of options to consider. So
Yeah.
I think often opting for white is a good idea, but it can also be a bit of a trap if you do it too much and miss some other good opportunities. So yeah.
Cheng's
Hopefully
using white
it
as
doesn't happen
well.
too
He
much.
got a in
Okay,
perm.
maybe it
Oh,
was
choking
easy.
a lot on the in perm. What a rough PL.
Yeah.
What was that? A 972.
972.
Not bad. Getting closer. But Ben's still 5-1 in this match so far.
Okay, so Chen's going. Until looking at yellow.
Oh,
Bit of
been seeing a lot of
AUF, but
I've been seeing a lot of cube drops this match, like right at the end when the competitor can't do the last move from both of them. Could this be? So 1264. Ben should be able to beat this. He's only had 110 so far.
yeah, so
just
when you're
takes-
going second and the other person gets a 12, it's interesting to think like, do you try and just get like a 10 or something, or do you just like go all out, try and get the best one you can, knowing that there's no real consequence?
But even if you do an inefficient solution, like as long as you're not screwing up anything, it's not very difficult to get under 12. So if
Yeah.
if you see the other person gets a 12, just want to go for the plainest solution that you cannot mess up. I think that's the best approach.
Yeah, probably.
What's interesting, Ben has both the New Zealand national best. He has a low 5, average of 5. And at times he can average like 6. So it's interesting seeing him get like high 8s.
Jeez, okay.
What was that? A 7.54? Solid
Yeah.
time, solid time.
Getting that mean a bit further down. We'll see what Chen can do here.
Yeah. Seems to be tracking a lot of pieces. All I can tell is that he's on PLL.
Okay, that was a nice clean stop compared to some of the other ones, I think.
1071.
1071.
Okay, Cheng's going to be going again in this next solve for us.
Oh, I suppose he. Yes.
Looks, from what I can see in the cube box, green and white might have good solutions.
Yeah, a solved edge.
So we'll see what they do. Looks like Cheng went for white cross. Oh. Oh, another cube drop.
Oh.
But the...
It's Cheng,
What was
right?
that?
Yeah.
954. That could have been
954.
Okay.
much better solve if he
Yeah,
hadn't
easy
dropped.
scramble.
at
Seemed
the
like
end.
quite an easy scramble to me, so we'll see what Ben can do here. Potentially
Yeah.
having a shot at the Kiwi League record single, but then again, with the other
Yeah.
solves.
What is it at the moment? 604
604, I
something?
think, bike race.
Yeah.
It was
That
looking
is
pretty
very
solid.
beautiful, Ben. Oh, that looked like a solid solve, surely. Oh, okay.
Ah.
Let's see.
I was going
Yeah,
to say it might
still
have been a
pretty good
6,
time.
but
I think there were a few problems with the execution, like lockups and things along the way that kind of prevented it from really
Yeah.
having its full potential.
that looks like a very, very good white cross. Oh,
Yeah, looks like he's going straight for the white.
how many moves is that?
Not really
4 move
spending
white
too
cross.
much
Yeah,
time.
it's just going. He's gonna try plan as many F12 pairs as possible. 1, maybe 2. Oh, quick start. Oh, that was very good, very good. 5, 6, maybe 6.
Oh, and it's 682. That's what we like to see. See what Cheng can do
Yeah,
on this.
sub 7. First sub 7 of the match. Surely some more as well. Cheng went for white as well, obviously. The clear choice of a cross. What was that?
What was that? It's been quite difficult to see his times.
A
965.
965.
Pretty consistent
Not
with the last
bad.
solve.
Yeah.
Seems fair.
Okay. Cheng starting again.
Going for green this time. Looks to be going
That's the same
pretty
as
well.
when we go.
J-Perm at the end.
Oh,
Oh.
looked like a bit of
Yeah, choking
locking up
at
on
the end.
that ending.
I think
but
that was a 10.
Yeah.
Ben's been speeding up these last 3
13.
solves. He's got sub 13. Ben's been speeding up these last 3 solves. He's got all sub 8s, 1 sub 7. See if he can keep on the streak.
So I've checked, and Cheng qualified with a 977 AO25, and Ben qualified in first seed with 766. So both competitors aren't really doing as well as they did in the qualifier, which makes sense. It's the
35.
real
Another
match.
6.
And it's 685. That
Very
looks
nice.
not that fast. That was very good.
Yeah,
And
just
maybe Ben
really goes to show. If you
bit
do a
closer
smooth
to-
solve with good look ahead, you can get good times.
Ben coming a bit closer to the times he was seeing in the qualifier. Hopefully Cheng can do that as well. There's definitely
Yeah.
still enough time left in the match for that to happen.
Ben has got a sizable lead here. Even if something incredible happens,
a
it's
few
going to be
hesitations in that
difficult for
one,
him to
but-
come back from it.
Probably
An
still
819.
pretty fast.
Still a
819,
decent
yeah.
time.
There we
You
are.
can't do badly with 819s.
Oh. 912.
912.
Cheng now looking at an 11 flat mean, so another good solve can bring that sub 11.
And Ben with an 8.23 mean at the moment. That's
Definitely.
similar
Closing in
to
on
what
that.
Chris had, so if they end up facing each other for any reason whatsoever, it'll be a very close match.
And so I think Cheng mostly seems to be going for white yellow, and I think Ben has as well. I think they're both normally color neutral. So
Oh,
probably the
another
nerves
cube
and
drop
the
from
skip-
Cheng.
And a 12-17 should be pretty beatable.
Leaving the door wide open for Ben.
Okay, this is
Oh,
a very
speedy
smooth
start.
FQL.
Soon.
Oh my
Incredibly.
god.
Oh, a bit of a choke on the PLL, but
A lot
still
of imperfections
seven-
and executions.
7.4.
744.
Very
There we
good
are.
from Ben. Probably could have been sub 7 if he
Some
didn't
very
choke
good,
at the end.
some potential for very good solving is starting to shine through in Ben's solve. So I think if he can just fix up a few of those errors, he can probably
Yeah.
get a bit closer to his peak. Looks like a lot of cross pieces on green, but it might be a situation where like
Yeah. I think it was a
good
situation where it was a bit.
permutation.
Yeah. Oh, Ben choking a lot on the
struggling a bit
ball.
with this
Looks like
last
he
layer.
had to do it twice. And what was that, a 12? 1279.
1279.
Oh, Cheng should be able to beat this if he achieves reasonably normally. Looks like Cheng's looking at the white cross as well. As long as there aren't any weird cube drop shenanigans. Oh,
moving the cube onto the
unfortunate.
table.
And having to resolve the cube again. Looks like his cross. What I'm guessing happened is he solved his cross wrong and then started doing F2L and then had to resolve his cross without touching F2L.
A 23.93. And
Oh, no.
Ben wins the solve with a
Oh,
12.79.
Oh, that
I got
hurts.
1 point.
And Cheng's gonna go again.
It's a hard life.
I'm still expecting Cheng to get a few more wins in this match. If Ben keeps getting these occasional 10s, or no, they've only happened twice, time over
That looks
10.
like quite a good solve.
Cheng should be able to beat it eventually again.
Okay.
Oh, Cheng with an 8.4. This won't be
Ben might not
super
beat that.
easy for Ben to beat. But if it was a good scramble, then oh.
It is currently under Ben's mean of 8.5, but he seems to be doing pretty well with
Yeah,
this
he's
solve.
going incredibly
Turning quite close.
speedily. And nice ZBLL.
And the ZB,
7.38.
7.3. That was a beautiful
Yeah.
solve. Very quick solve.
Incredible. And fast recognition as well for the ZB. Okay, Ben's going to be going again.
Let's go.
If you can pull out the turning to get another good solve like that, keep it up for the rest of the match. Could be
Yeah.
looking at another record single if that was to happen.
Oh, nice OLL case into an ARPA. 726.
726.
Very nice. His average of 5 is looking pretty nice at the moment. I think that wouldn't quite be sub NR, but still probably better than his
I'll see if I can calculate
official record.
what it is.
Jasper's gonna calculate his average of 5 at the moment. I'm gonna call it as being something around 7.7 or 7.6. 6. Oh, and I totally missed Cheng's solve. Oh, that looks like an 8.
And it's a
Still not gonna be
736
enough
average
to...
of 5.
736? Are you sure?
I think so. Yeah, counting 7.2, 7.3, 7.4.
No, not counting 7.2.
Oh, wait, no, I'm being silly. I'm being a silly man.
Counting
That's not how it works.
8.19.
What am I doing?
Cheng just got an 8.2.
What am I
I
doing?
think that's his best solve of the match so far, but
Okay.
still not going to be enough to
Okay.
beat Ben's 7.2.
767. 767. I was
767
not looking
average
at the
of 5
times
at the
properly.
moment. And he can still improve that if he gets a time better than 8.19.
And we know now that his best possible average, if he gets under 726, will be a 736 average, thanks to my
And Cheng
calculation.
seems to have messed up his solve again. What's that going to be? A 15 maybe? $15.69.
15.
Calling it.
Let's see if Ben can get that 7.
I'm gonna be optimistic and say that Ben's gonna get the best possible average here, 7.3. Oh, choking a bit on the cross, but still very speedy F2L.
The rest of
Oh,
the
and
is
into
pretty
a
good.
ZBLL.
And nice EO into
Just-
ZB.
7.5.
756.
That's still gonna be
That
a
won't be
very good
quite the
average.
best average, but
7.56,
Should be pretty
7.38,
good.
7.44 counting. I
hey,
believe.
746. So that's sub-NR.
Yeah, Sabinar.
Definitely what we like to see.
Ben's gonna be solving again, so he can still bring his AO5 down if he beats the 7.4.
And after that, it'll be the 12.
He's been looking
so
very consistent
that'll be
recently, just getting 7s. Oh,
Getting those
speedy
7s, yeah.
start. Oh, we're seeing his incredible turning.
Yeah.
A V perm,
That was a very fast V-perm.
7.0.
Even if he was using the old L. 706. Damn.
Incredible.
Okay.
The old Al
All
is
sevens in a
still
row.
very good. If your turning is incredible.
Yes. It's underrated.
I think it's quite safe to say
No,
that Ben's got this
Bronze
match.
average is 740. Cheng going here.
Cheng doing green,
Oh, this is looking quite good.
same as Ben. I don't think it'll be enough to beat
Okay.
706 though.
And
That was an
801.
801. Very good. New best solve from Cheng this match. And oh, Cheng has gotten 3 8s in the past 5 solves, but also a 15 and a 23. So
Not the most consistent average I've ever
as
seen.
as as long as he doesn't mess up, he can get good times.
Yeah, if you can just prevent those little screw-ups that lead to those
Yeah.
slower solves, I think he'll be potentially sub-9. And that would be good.
Oh, I think that was another 8 as well. It looked quite smooth. 819.
819.
That's going to be a very good
Cheng-Ru, yeah.
average for Cheng.
He is here.
Cheng got a good average there, sub 8.5.
Yeah. Ben is very right.
He's now rolled to 23, no longer a part of the average. And he's doing well. Both
Let's see what
competitors
Ben can get
have
here.
picked up the speed since the beginning of the match, potentially
Yeah, a lot.
getting more used to the nerve with solving on the stream. This is looking like a brilliant solve from Ben. Quite a
Oh,
long
bit of a
OL
choke.
recognition.
756.
He was trying to predict the PLR, but still 7.5.
Oh.
7.5.
Pure sub 7.6
Dang.
average.
He has 5 sevens in a row.
Incredible.
2 756s.
Now that's what I call
Very
consistency.
consistent.
It'd be cool to see Ben finish this match with just 7s. Oh,
looking
speedy
incredible.
soul. I think this is going to be a 6. Oh, maybe not with a bit of a choke. Oh, it was a 6.
Bit of a suboptimal APM execution.
6.99.
And a 699, clutching that sub 7.
Very
There he
nice.
is. Third one of the match, I believe.
It would be nice to see Ben beat the
continuing his streak of
Kiwi League
getting
record.
some nice 8s. This is looking like a bit of a long move that solution.
Yeah.
Should
this
still be
is
pretty
gonna be-
solid because he has kind of been in control of the cube. Actually, it looked like a 10 from what I could see.
11.16.
11. You know, he's staying under 15, under 23, so
Where's
you know,
Cheng's on here?
definitely some room to get more 8s.
I'm pretty sure it's me. Oh no.
Me? Oh, okay.
Wait, what? Isn't it Chengo?
Is it me?
Okay, looks like Ben's solving.
Oh, no wonder they were
I'm
confused.
not sure if that was what's supposed to happen, but we'll see. We'll see how he goes.
because
Orange. I think we have seen a few more
Oh.
non-white yellow colors. The team started picking up getting more
Oh,
reds.
plus 2,
So I think that was
unfortunate.
part of the secret.
Oh.
8.4 plus 2, so that's going to be a 10.4. Very beatable for for Cheng. If he keeps up with these 8s.
Opportunity for Cheng to get another point.
Cheng hasn't actually gotten a 9 in 8 solves. Only 8s and things above 10. Let's see if he can clutch another win after his initial win at the start.
Hey.
Oh, it sounds like that was enough to get it. Okay, that's another win for Cheng. So it's now 2-19.
Okay.
I'm scared to talk now because I'm worried Jasper's going to talk at the same time as me.
Me too. This is all your fault, Dwayne.
Did Dwayne say that? Unbelievable, Dwayne. 10.52. Ben should be able to beat that. Looks like he's going for a white cross.
It's up to the actual. Shaky
Oh,
on that.
whoa, PL's.
Oh, and the last
Nice.
layer.
Nice.
It's sick.
Chokey all over.
6:59. Some
No.
off the jinx.
No AUF PLL skip.
Tear myself.
It was a clutch time for that to happen.
6:59, and that's the new best solve of the match. Best solve for Ben.
Right again. It was a good FQL.
Yes. Oh, nice last layer as well. 698.
698. Sixes in
That's-
a row. That's what
now
we like.
3. That's gonna be a very good AO5. 2
Okay,
counting
let's get a
6s and
preview of what
7.5.
the best possible average is.
Yeah, if he beats the 7.5 again, he can get a sub 7 average potentially.
If he gets another sub 6.6, he can get a 685 average. Probably, if he gets like a high 6, he can get a high 6 average. So yeah, definitely some great potential here. I'm not sure what the best average 5 in Kiwi League is right now, because it's kind of hard to track that. But
I'm pretty sure I have
don't
a
know.
sub 7.
We'll see what he gets.
In Kiwi League. And Cheng
And
with
the
an
solve.
1168, which will not be enough to beat Ben's sub 7 solve. Yeah, so Cheng's going to be going again.
Currently, Ben with 21 points, so 4 solves away from winning the match.
Yeah.
See if Cheng can get any more points.
These first 3 Kiwi League matches have been, well, pretty clear who is going to win from the start-ish. So next week we'll have Jasper and Dwayne, who are much closer. It'll be fun to watch, but for now we stay in this match.
12:56.
Leaving the
Hopefully
door
Ben can get
wide
another
open
6
for
here.
Ben.
Was that average?
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
So
such a
amazing solve.
fast solve. 602!
602! There
And
we
that's the
are.
Kiwi League record. Let's go.
685 average by Ben Kirby.
Oh, incredible. Incredible solving
Yeah,
from
it's pretty
Ben.
good. Wait, it's me, isn't it? Oh, maybe it's him. I don't know.
It's been.
Ben.
Is it me? Okay.
Ben going again. Tim confusing everyone a little bit with the order of who's going.
Had a new Kiwi League record every match. Hopefully, we can keep that up for the next one.
Yeah. Hopefully we can get a sub 6 next time. Unless Ben gets a sub 6 in these last few solves of the match. He's been steadily increasing his speed. 7.1,
7.1.
incredible.
Not in comparison to the other recent results, but still a very good time. And Ben's mean is now sub 8 with a 7.99.
Yeah, Ben's just been dragging down his mean with all these 6s. Cheng still chilling with an 11 mean. Oh, was that a +2? Or seems to keep happening. Looking like they're stopping the timer, but going back and stopping it again. We're now two wins away from Ben winning. 23-2.
2 more solves to get a sub 6.
It'd be nice to see
I
Cheng
don't know
getting a
about
sub
you,
8.
but seem to be a bit frozen for me.
Oh no, I can
Cheng?
see. It looks well
Okay.
as usual as it's been. 11.15. I'd be surprised if
I can
Ben
see
didn't beat
Cheng
that again.
moving again. This is always a good sign.
Always good to be able to see the competitors.
Ben is staying in the same cross color for
Oh,
section. Always good.
looked like there were a few pauses in F12 there, but still TPS. Oh, VPOM 793. Yeah, not as good as his past few solves, but still a very solid time. And if Ben wins this solve again, that will be the end of the match. So Ben's going to be starting, so I guess Cheng will be able to see what he needs to beat to stay in the match.
It would be an incredible comeback. 22 wins and let's see. And this match point solved.
As cool as that would be, I don't expect that to happen. Oh, Ben going for another ZB.
Look like
Oh, 10:56 being kind on the timer stop to allow for some
Easy win, Cheng. Easy
to
win.
allow for one more win for Cheng.
Holy.
The deciding solve. Cheng's solving does look pretty good at the moment. If he can get this.
No.
Oh, unfortunate.
Ben takes the match.
Yeah, that's a win for Ben with the 809.
No, Cheng.
17.2 solve for Cheng. That's very
It didn't
sad.
stop the timer.
So yeah, Ben wins
This
the
was
match,
solved.
25-2.
It?
With an 809 mean. Okay. Very nice solving from both competitors. Jasper, do you want to do the interview? I did it last week.
Okay, sure. Okay. Can you guys hear me?
Yep. Wait, I'm not the one.
Yeah. We'll just have to wait for them to unmute.
Yeah. I
Wait,
thought so.
unmute me as well.
Wait.
Okay.
Are we unmuting everyone? Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Okay, can you guys hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
I can.
Okay, cool. So, look like I think both of you a bit were struggling with choosing your cross colors at the beginning. I don't know if this was just me, but it seemed like there was a lot of white yellow going on at the beginning. So with like Ben, did you notice that at all, or was it just me?
Yeah, my inspection wasn't that good at the start. I was having a pretty tough time inspecting, but that's just about getting into the zone, like getting into really, because I don't know if you saw, but later on I was like picking up the cube really fast and trying to pick a cross color as fast as I could, because at the start I was having a hard time doing that. Yeah.
And Cheng?
Oh, me on the other hand, I didn't realize that. I just knew what was going on, so yeah.
I couldn't
There
see
was no
your
pattern
cube
there.
too well.
Oh, really? Oops.
Yeah.
Do you have
Is
any
that it?
questions for the Adrian?
No, I don't have anything.
Okay. How did you guys feel about your performances today? We'll start with Cheng.
Oh, it was horrible. Apparently I got a low 8 average. I didn't
You
realize.
did.
I was like,
You got like
I was
an
like,
8
wait,
point.
what? I didn't
Yeah, it was
realize.
pretty good.
Yeah, other than that, average was pretty bad. But what can you expect when you're against Ben, you know?
Yeah.
Ben?
Well, I do have one thing to say. You guys a lot seem to be like right at the end of your solve, you'd drop your cube like one move away and like try to stop the timer and then like pick it back up, do the last solve and then stop the timer. That
Wait.
happened so many times during the
Oh, yeah.
match.
Did it? Yeah.
Do-
That was a
do-
bit.
do-
That wasn't too good.
It was just bad turning on my end.
Same. Yeah, same. Yeah, it took me a while to get back into the flow of solves. So the first like 10 solves were terrible, and then I had like a good streak of 7s and 6s, and then bad again.
Yeah.
But that's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yep.
Thanks for watching this match of Kiwi League, I guess. We'll see you guys again next week on Saturday at 7 p.m. Well, it's going to be Dwayne versus Jasper, the very cool match. Anything else?
Thanks for hosting, guys.
Yeah, thanks. That was fun.
Thanks for competing. Okay.
Yeah.
See ya.